One of the biggest mistakes people make after a car accident in Georgia happens before they ever talk to a lawyer. And insurance companies know exactly how to use it against them. Let me explain. My name is Tyler Moffitt, and I'm a Georgia attorney. I've seen the same mistake happen and hurt people over and over again after a wreck. Most of the time, they genuinely think that they're doing the right thing. So what's the biggest mistake? Waiting too long to take the situation seriously. A lot of people leave the scene thinking, I'm okay, I'll be sore for just a few days, I don't want to make a big deal out of this. And sometimes the pain doesn't really hit until the next day or several days later. That's extremely common. Why this becomes a problem? Here's the issue. Insurance companies often argue, if you were really hurt, why didn't you get checked out sooner? Now, does that mean you aren't actually injured? No. But delays create arguments, and insurance adjusters look for arguments. So if something feels wrong, if you have neck pain or back pain, headaches, numbness, trouble sleeping, dizziness, don't ignore it just because you're trying to be tough. Go get checked out. Another mistake people make, talking too much to the insurance company too early, especially giving recorded statements. People think, I'll just explain what happened, they're gonna help me out, they're gonna care for me. But small comments can get taken out of context later and be used against you. After a wreck, practical things matter. Take pictures, save documents, keep track of treatment, write down symptoms. Don't disappear for weeks without care if you're hurting. Documentation matters. Not every case becomes a massive settlement, and not every wreck needs a lawsuit, but people deserve clarity, especially before they unknowingly damage their own case. If you were involved in a wreck in Georgia and something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. Get clarity early. And if you want more straightforward information about injury and DUI law in Georgia, subscribe to the channel. I'll keep breaking this down in plain English.